So in the previous segment, we understood that how critical it is to do the online monitoring of solar power plants so that we remain updated about the working status of the solar power plant. Now, when we are talking about the monitoring of the solar power plant, the first and the foremost thing which comes forward is what do you need to monitor? The simplest answer is the basic question, is your plant running? We need to monitor whether our plant is running or not. When we say running, it means whether it is generating the power or not. So the next question is, how do you monitor it online? What is an online monitoring system? What are its components? An online monitoring system is a cloud-based system in which the status of generation and data is shown on the real-time basis so that we can check the working of the solar power plant in the real time. You can see here, this is a view of a dashboard. It shows the different parameters. Through the dashboard, we can also see the records of the previous days, months, and the years. Interesting to know, in this rapid changing world, nowadays mobile apps are getting preferred, and for monitoring of solar power plants, mobile apps are also developed on which we can see the monitoring of the solar power plants. This makes life very easier. Now the main components of online monitoring system. When we are talking about online monitoring system, the first and the foremost important component is the data logger. You can see the pic of the data logger on the right hand side. This data logger is the device which captures the data from the inverter to put it on the cloud so that we can see it on our mobiles or laptops. For that particular purpose, it requires a communication system which could be either RS485 or RS232, which is built inside the inverter. Along with that, we require cloud storage, we require Cat6 cable and an internet connection for the transfer of the data. Now this pic actually depicts the impact of non-monitoring of a solar power plant. Let us understand this with an example. Imagine a solar power plant is tripped on the 5th day of a month and the plant was not getting monitored. What will happen? In that case, the user will not come to know about the working status of the solar power plant. He will not come to know that the plant has been tripped on the 5th day of the month. Now, as usual, user would be expecting the reduction in the electricity bill at the end of the month. Since he has got the reduction in the previous months, he would be expecting the same in the current bill also. But this will not happen because the plant was tripped for 25 days in the month and the generation happened for the first 5 days only. And this generation would be very small or a fraction as compared to the monthly generation of the solar power plant. Now, since the user will not be able to get the complete reduction in the electricity bill as per the monthly generation, he would be surprised to see the electricity bill, the rise in the electricity bill, and this would come as a shock. So it is very important that regular monitoring is done. Solar power plants gives the best return in the market. Investment in solar power plants is not subject to any market risk. The only thing which need to be taken care is monitoring. If the monitoring is consistent, the returns would be consistent also, and it would be 4 times as compared to the fixed deposit. So it is very important that the regular monitoring is done for the solar power plants. Hope this segment brought clarity about the need of the monitoring, and thank you for watching this. I see you in the next segment.